हाय वेलकम टू श्वेता's व्लॉग्स। तो मैं आज सुबह से रेडी हो चुकी हूँ टू वंस मोर एक्सप्लोर ए न्यू प्लेस एंड दिस प्लेस मैं बहुत दिनों से देख रही हूँ वहाँ जाने के लिए, बट couldn't happen, but this time I wanted to really go there and explore it. तो ये है बनशंकरी में जो बना है गल्प। दिस इज़ अ न्यू हॉट स्पॉट इन बनशंकरी। तो ये है बनशंकरी 100 फीट रोड पे एंड गल्प वॉज अट्रैक्टिंग मी फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऐसे कोई जगह नहीं है जहाँ पे बार एंड किचन हो, एंड दिस वॉज स्टार्टेड 1 year ago एंड इट वॉज लाइक वेरी वेरी अट्रैक्टिव और बहुत ही मुझे यहाँ पे आना था देखने के लिए कि कैसा बना है। सो यस बट बिट डिसअपॉइंटेड बिकॉज दिस इज अंडर आई मीन रिनोवेशन, तो ऐसा दिखता है यूजुअली। So you can see the handle is also so beautiful, written as G. So ये है inside का view in the morning. Actually मैं थोड़ा calculation miscalculation कर दी कि I will go in the evening. Usually I go in sundown time so that I can see both day and night look of any place. But यहाँ पे आने के लिए थोड़ा late हो गया. I didn't expected this कि it looks very beautiful in the morning. So ये है morning का view which I am showing you. So it is a very beautiful natural place. Like अगर आप सुबह सुबह या सुबह मतलब obviously everything opens after 12. So noon और evening के जैसे आओगे तो you can see all these beautiful things here, which looks really amazing और इतना bright and sunny and it looks really fab because it has an opening at the top. तो मैं वो बताऊंगी and yes I should have come at this time but I couldn't. और यहाँ पे you can see they have the water spray also because they don't have AC, they have only fans here. So yeah, it is like a very modern type of construction they have done and the seatings are very nice. और यहाँ पे अगर आप कुछ functions करना चाहते हो जैसे कि engagement हो या good get together या birthday, तो this area will be used for that. All the chairs will be removed. तो यहाँ पे जब AC नहीं है तो they use these sprayers to keep it cool. तो आजकल मैंने बहुत जगह में देखा है ऐसे वाला sprays and it really works out a bit but yes AC यहाँ पे रुकेगा नहीं क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो है ऊपर फ्लोर वहाँ पे ओपन है. so yes come I'll show you how it looks at night. तो obviously by the time we came it was late evening and this is how it looks. तो yes yeah that is why I said like you should come at sundown time क्योंकि रात को थोड़ा ये I felt very less lightings. Maybe this was because it was a weekday. So yes weekdays में थोड़ा लाइट कमी होता है and they have a very big screen here. Actually IPL चल रहा था जब हम यहाँ पे गए थे तो you can actually sit and watch the match, entire match here. So they have a very big screen और यहाँ पे tables है if you want to sit at the ground floor. And as I showed you before, so that was the painting which looks really fab in the morning. तो थोड़ा lightings कम है and you can see this is the vibe in the weekdays. So but yes it looks really fab unless you don't want to miss that charm. You should come in the sundown time or in the evening. So yes I just misjudged this place and I came late. तो मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा था कि I couldn't see that in the evenings का जो होता है वो. Anyways and yes this is the staircase और यहाँ पे उन्होंने एक टैटू का बोर्ड लगाया है. If you take this photo and you go there they'll give some discount. And this is the first floor. You can see It's really big and nice and fab. So ये है, if you want to have get together private party या birthday कुछ यहाँ पे आप बैठ सकते हो. This is the non-smoking, I mean smoking area. यहाँ पे you can sit and smoke and have your food. So yes, that is party for get-togethers. This is for open space. स्मोकिंग एरिया. तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हो इफ दे आर डूइंग एनी फंक्शन ऑल्सो, यू कैन स्टैंड एंड सी फ्रॉम हियर. इट्स अ वेरी ह्यूज हॉल, nicely placed. I mean seatings are done very nicely. और यहाँ पे टीवी है, बिग स्क्रीन है. So you can even you know like if you have your private parties or anniversaries, you can ask them to put your photos. So this side they have different seating areas, liners hai, so round tables hai beech mein. So they have cubicles also, so you have to just select what you want to, where you want to sit. So my daughter was taking time because I usually give her the choice where she want to sit, so she was like confused where to sit. So we were discussing like where we'll sit. So finally we decided we'll go to cubicle because मुझे भी cubicle बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So they have half cubicle and full cubicle as well. So मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा, full cubicle. Yeah, it is good if you have a group, but anyways, if you don't have group also we can sit. So we selected this seat. There are half cubicle also when you are less people, and this is how it looks from here. As I said, the light is very dull, maybe because it's a bar and kitchen they would have put it less, but I felt a bit under lighted, क्योंकि आप एक फ़ोटो भी नहीं ले सकते यहाँ पे. ऐसा बहुत ही यू नो, आई एम यूजिंग एक्चुअली फ्लैश लाइट टू record all this. If not, it looks really dull. Maybe it is a bar come kitchen, so people might feel that they want less light, or it is like a weekday, so but still I feel a bit less lighted. And there is no AC, so fan पे काम चलाना पड़ रहा है उनको. So fans, if we ask, they'll on. I don't know whether they'll on or off. So they have programs also like this. So band will perform English, Hindi and Kannada. So usually ये weekends पे या special days पे होता है, like it's really fab. It's a really fantastic act that you'll have at the weekends. तो जैसे मैंने कहा था, इसका रूफ जो है, रूफ टॉप, वो ओपन होता है. So this is how it opens and you can see really clear sky. I don't know how it works when it is rainy. I hope it doesn't spill. But it is a very good construction because yeah, इससे they can save lot of light and fans or ACs. So when they open this, so obviously air will come in, and they can close it anytime. So this is how the technology they have used, which is very good, but I felt AC was needed. So we took this very beautiful drink, RCB के ऊपर कुछ था इसका नाम, I forgot the entire name, but it is like RCB drink which I call. So yes, along that we took cheese balls and yes, the sauce भी मिला था. And you can see we are struggling to take pictures because no light and we had to use our flashlights. So I really for the first time felt that I came at the wrong time to a wrong place. So I those who like light or you want to click really good pictures here, please do come in the evening or noon. So they have a very beautiful pizza, heart-shaped pizza, which is like wow for us because my daughter eats very less, so she is very picky eater. So I have to balance because उसको अगर ज़्यादा लगा तो वो छोड़ देगी, so I can't over order. सो पूरा पिज़्ज़ा ज़्यादा हो जाता था, तो वी ऑर्डर दिस वन विच केम इन अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल क्यूट हार्ट शेप. सो हाफ यू कैन टेक और यू कैन आस्क देम टू कट फॉर 4 pieces. So yes, this was really beautiful and cute piece of pizza I ever seen. So yes, I really liked it, and yeah, it tasted good and it was nice. And we took a pasta. It was fine, and yes, most of the time she lives how much she want to eat, then she lives off, so I have to finish it. So they have better drinks like this, beautiful cute drinks which I missed to order. So if you want to, you can order, because मुझे पता नहीं था. Then yes, this is my son who joined us, because इसका जो animation class है वो nearby है. And this is the final place which is very very attractive, and the spotlight of this place, it's a cubicle box of cover box. जैसे कि cover pages होता है, तो ये एक cover box है where you can stand and click pictures just like cover pages दिखता है. This also looks exactly same, so it looks really good when you have a good people or number of people. And yes, we are struggling to take pictures क्योंकि posters जो बनता है तो वैसे post करना है. So I did my part. Now my son wanted to try, and as RCB match was going on, so they have used Virat Kohli's picture here. So this keeps changing according to the seasons or whatever they have in trending. So yes, अभी मेरे बेटी का photoshoot हो रहा है, and she looks really fab, just like a model. So she knows how to give the poses. So yes, this is Gulp, and I really felt nice. And please visit in the morning. I missed it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.